Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a battery in the Honda CB125F motorcycle. It's not under the seat, so let's do this. So first of all, put the key into the seat lock and then open it. Then just remove the seat, just like that. Then remove the two screws that's holding in the left side panel, just like that. Then remove the big screw. It's a little hard to get out, so we need another screwdriver for this. And look how easy it is with this one. Then remove the clip from the side panel. So be careful, this is not the way to do it, as you're seeing in a video. This is the proper way to do it. Push in the middle and then pull it out. And look how easy it is if you do it the right way. And then remove two more prongs from the bike. Just like that. Then you can easily remove the side cover. And finally, there is the battery. If you want to remove it, just remove the screw and then pull it out. But we're not going to do this in this video because this is just how to find a battery, not remove or change. And now that we're finished, we can just put everything back. I like to clean everything before putting everything back so it's, cleaner. Then you can just put the side cover back. The prongs are gonna hold it, so you're not gonna have to worry about it. And then this is how you put the clips back. Now you can just put all the screws back. Here is how to put the seat back on. And now you can just check if everything's working fine and you put everything back properly. Here you can hear everything running just fine. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye.